we're making the Southside. Stay tuned. Watch more. It's gonna be awesome.
That was directed to the point.
Was that the promo?
Yeah.
Boom.
No,
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan and Ian and Derek, we're gonna make for you a cocktail called the Southside because if I don't
Southside.
start this video, my producer's gonna go
Not the
crazy.
Chicago Southside. Just the South
Did I
Side.
say Chicago Southside?
No, you didn't.
Okay.
I was just saying that.
It's a good gin to pick.
I wanted to say something.
There are.
What does that smell like? Death.
No, it's just the thing is
was,
separate.
Can you finish that? No. Man, I've had that for a while.
yeah.
I've had that
Going
since.
down.
I've had that since we were in the attic.
Look at that. Just do 2 ounces.
You can finish it.
I can give it to me. I'll finish it. Oh, that
You're not
looks like a
driving.
lot.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's good now.
Good?
Aromatic in my face. Yeah, it's good. It's
Dan,
just
let's try that other gin.
straight gin. Did you not try the gunpowder gin?
No.
So do we say we put in a half ounce of gin, 3/4 ounce of
What a
fresh
One
lemon
half
juice?
ounce of gin.
1/2. 1/2, right? Yeah.
One-
That's what I said.
1.5.
And a half. I said 1.5. Did I not say 1/2?
I heard 1/2, and then he heard 1/2, and then he got confused.
Well, I meant 1.5.
But I'd already put it in, so
Yeah.
I wasn't that confused.
So it was all good.
Just read it down below. 5 ounces of simple syrup,
I'm gonna go
and
more.
then a bunch of little mint. Because Derek can't grow big mint.
It's 5.5 ounces of simple syrup, not 5 ounces, because that's a lot of fucking simple syrup.
Oh, I have half ounce. I don't know.
Yeah, you want a half ounce. 5 ounces of simple syrup is what you start with when you want to make a
Just
rock
put in
candy.
4 ounces of gin and just take a sip.
Yeah. 4 ounces of gin, as much simple syrup as you feel like you need, 100 mint leaves, and lemon juice.
You got a
Yep.
tea hat, China hat, or something, whatever the hell you
A
call it.
China hat?
You want a double strainer?
Yep.
Okay. Or a tea strainer. A tea strainer.
A tea.
I don't know if anybody's ever
China
called it
tea?
a China hat. Is that?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Is that what
I'm not just
bartenders
being
call
all
it?
ching-chongy on it. It's
Well,
an
hold
actual
on.
name.
Does it look normal?
There's this shit here. There's stuff about the Southside.
Southside of Chicago.
Southside.
Southside of Chicago.
Yeah.
This beverage is supposedly preferred by Al Capone.
Leroy Brown. He's from the South Side of Chicago.
He dominated Chicago's South Side.
He's not real, is he?
South Side.
Southside.
The one thing to keep it to understand about this is that the South Side and the Chicago South Side are two separate drinks. We'll eventually do a Chicago South Side, which we kind of like better, and I can't remember exactly
Chicago
why.
Southside's good.
Is it because it's got darkerness in it? It
Well, it's
doesn't
'cause
have
it's
mint.
bitter.
It's got bitters.
Yeah.
Is that the one that has Angostura in it?
Yeah.
And something else?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
This was pretty good, though, I thought.
yeah. I mean, it would. I don't understand
You
my
gotta
China
float
hat's not
You gotta
working.
float a giant mint leaf in it.
Yeah.
Garbage that shit up.
There's a little bit of mint speckles in there. Those are going to be your flavor
Oh,
crystals.
you know what you can do? You can just take, like, a couple
Just don't
individual
use all of them
leaves.
because we have another drink that needs
You can
mint.
do like a single leaf.
That's what I was gonna do. Float it on.
Look, he's already got a single leaf. But that one has like burn marks on it.
Yeah, but they can't see that.
Yeah, that's true. So there you go. We saw it.
Do you want to pick the leaf, Dan? You want to do this? We can do it better. Then.
Well, yeah, but we have a Gin Mule coming up later in the month, so
I
we're
think we
going
got
to need
enough,
that again.
enough mint here to spare a leaf.
What was little?
Make Dan feel better.
No, you already put it on there. It's okay.
Oh, a special thanks to Maurice Paquette. I think that's how you say his name on patreon.com/CMC.
Okay.
Down over, I can't remember how this works. Over here, there should be a pop-up with his name, and you can see that you can go to patreon.com/CMC and donate to
Nope.
the show to be
Always good.
a patron. It's sour with the lemon. I like lime better. Maybe that's the other thing. The Chicago South Side is a lime.
Is it lime?
Yeah.
It has Ango, too.
A ton of
Lime
Ango.
and
You know,
Yeah.
I'm done. So
I'm
one.
surprised you're okay with that.
I think it's good.
Is it lemon?
Yeah, no, it's not that sour.
It's an aversion to lemon.
It's not that sour.
So if you go to recipe,
All this isolation has changed me.
that's what it is. If you go to recipe.awesomadrinks.com and type in Chicago
Oh, it hits
Southside,
you a little bit when you take a bigger sip.
it's
Yeah.
yeah. Here's the difference. So 7 dashes of Angostura bitters in the other drink. It is lime based,
Yeah.
simple syrup, and so it's the same core. It's sugar, gin, And the sour in that is lime. This is lemon. The bitters in this is non-existent, and that's 7 dashes of Angostura, which is a lot of Angostura bitters. So
That's
you're gonna
good.
get like a lot of like allspice and nutmeg and clove, and a little bit of mint. This you get mint, and it's a gin
gin.
sour.
Yeah.
So gin sour with a little hint of mint. You might get a little bit more mint if you have it, depending on the season. Like right now, mint's still pretty small, and it's in a little pot, so it's only gonna grow so much. All my mint outside is still fucking dead.
Yes.
Or it's gone forever. I don't even know. You grow mint like
No,
crazy.
mint. It'll come back.
I just don't know where. It could be 5 miles away.
It could be.
It
Just
moves
like
around.
it just goes. Yeah, you got to
Yeah.
pull it all back and
Yeah.
stick it all back in a circle.
Yeah. I had chocolate
Otherwise
mint
it's-
once. Grew it. It took over the garden.
Yeah. No.
Like even tilling it. I think that's what that machine is, right?
Yeah.
Like it would. The tiller was just full of its roots. It would roll up like a spindle, and then it wouldn't even work anymore. And then I started to get nauseous because the chocolate mint was so strong. Like I'm just like, oh my god! It feels like I'm being assaulted by Andy's candies. It's like it's horrible. It's so vibrant.
If I had to,
Bad thing.
if I had to pick the
I
way that I
know!
wanted to die,
One more in your face.
that would not be one of the least favorable ways.
I know.
I would be okay with that.
It looks like he strangled himself with it.
Until you do it, and then you're like, this is not so good after all. Like it's just a little strong. So I prefer a Chicago Southside. Here's a link. You can make this, and like we've done, do them side by side and figure out which one you like. Because a lot of people who just like gin sours and delicate, simple drinks, this has more of the
Yeah.
delicate flavors to it. Because the Angostura pretty much dominates out of the drink, along with the gins and all the other stuff.
It's good though.
We have a coupon code for these scoops. It's called, what did I say? I think it was, fuck. Why
It's,
don't you tell me?
Homeschooling.
Would
Homeschooling.
you say it's a coupon code?
Wow.
Yeah, that was,
You should have coops in your repertoire.
It is
You have to.
homeschooling. Save 15% on awesomedrace.com until June 13th.
I just have a Yeti. That's my entire repertoire at this point.
Yeah,
You
but
fill your
had- But
Yeti
you
with
had
that?
these.
What's that?
But
I
you
don't-
had
I don't drink
these.
at home, so.
Well, I took a photo of the zombie I made on Saturday. Jennifer didn't like it. I drank both of
There
them.
you go, Todd. That's a good reference.
So I drank 2 zombies, and I
Fuck
took
off,
a
I'm
photo,
full.
and I was like, hey, somebody, what drink am I making? Because I was outside on the porch, and there's just fucking alcohol everywhere, because it's a zombie. It takes everything. And I had a Yeti mug, and they're like, whoa, like, you're getting serious. I'm like, no, it's just, that's my water.
No shit.
That's not actually what you think it is. So there you go. Go make yourself a Southside. Thank you for all those that have donated, like Maurice. And there's a sidebar. There's going to be more videos. They'll be gin specific. One of them will probably be this, because I'm going to, after this show, you're
we
not
gonna
going to
try
see
it?
it unless you're on a live stream. We're going to have Dan try the gunpowder gin. If you
Alright.
want to, there'll be a link someplace so that you can do that as
What does
well.
that mean?
It's a promo. Oh, it's just gunpowder gin.
Oh, I didn't know.
It's nothing. It's not going to make you high.
Oh shit.
Drum machine.
I have stuff for that, though.
No, we've seen what happens with that.
Yeah. Down below, bartender starter kit. Pick yours up so you can get making mixing drinks. And that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.